Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 6 soup recipes. I absolutely love soup. It is one of my favorite things to make. I love making a big batch of it. You can save it for leftovers. I freeze a lot of soup also, but soup is just so great and it's super versatile. So I'm going to share with you 6 recipes. I know you're going to love them. They're easy and delicious. So let's get cooking. This is going to be a zucchini soup. I have a zucchini and a yellow squash, and I've just cut them both up into some small bite-sized pieces, adding to my Dutch oven. I have a can of petite diced tomatoes. I'm adding in the whole can. I have some minced garlic. I just have this minced garlic from the jar. I'm using a tablespoon. You can mince your own garlic, of course. I'm going to give this a little stir. I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Let this zucchini get nice and cooked and nice and soft. I'm going to add in 8 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going to add in a can of garbanzo chickpeas. I love these, so I've drained the can. I just love the fiber, the protein, and they're just super yummy. Add to the soup. I'm going to add in 2 cups of rotisserie chicken. You can use any kind of cooked chicken that you have and just cut it up into some small pieces. This soup is so easy. I let this cook for about 20 minutes, and it is quick, easy, and so delicious. I'm going to be doing a garbanzo bean tortilla soup. I love adding so many veggies to a soup. So I am using some diced tomatoes. I have a can of corn that I will drain before I add it in. I have a can of black beans I will wash and drain before I add those in. I have some taco seasoning mix, and you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of the seasoning mix. I'm going to add in a cup of chicken broth. Give this a stir, mix it all around, and I love adding tons of veggies to a soup, and this one is just a really great way to load up on those veggies. I added in another 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to cook this on low for 6 to 7 hours. It comes out so good, a really hearty, vegetable-forward soup ready at the end of the day. So I'm going to add in my crushed tortilla chips to make this the tortilla garbanzo bean soup. Really good. Now I'm going to freeze some portions. I love these super cube freezer molds, and I love freezing soup. It is one of my favorite things. So I can pull one of these out from the freezer, and I can mix and match. I can have one of these one day and a different soup another day. So these freezer molds are amazing. I'll put a link to them in the description box from Amazon. So good. My freezer is stocked. So I'm going to use my Dutch oven again for this soup. So I have my minced garlic. I'm going to kind of brown the garlic for a few minutes. I have some ground turkey, and you can use ground beef if you like. I love ground turkey because it's so lean. There's really no grease at all. So I'm browning up my turkey. And this is going to be a tortellini soup. I love this one. It is absolutely delicious. I have some Italian seasoning. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I have some garlic as well. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of garlic. I use better than bouillon to make my chicken broth. So I am going to add in, I have 4 cups here, and then I'm going to make another 4 cups of the chicken broth. So 8 cups total of chicken broth. Give this a stir. I'm going to cook this for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the tortellini, and this only takes a few minutes to cook. It's only about 3 minutes. So add in the tortellini and give it a stir. Tortellini and soup is really yummy. So now I'm going to add in some fresh spinach as well. So you can add in really as much as you want. I like to load it up because spinach just wilts down so small. So I'm just adding that in. I'm just going to kind of push it down into the soup and let that cook for the 3 minutes. It is delicious. So I'm going to use my crock pot, and I love doing chicken in the crock pot. It's one of my favorite things. So I have 3 chicken breasts. I have some pepper, some garlic powder. I'm going to add in my chicken broth as well. I'm doing 6 cups of chicken broth. I have some lemon, and I'm going to squeeze that lemon and add it in to my crock pot. I'm going to cook this on low, and it is low for 7 hours. Now I'm going to shred up my chicken. I love shredded chicken in soup. It is just one of my favorites. You get lots of protein, fills you up a ton, and I love this little chicken shredder. If you've been around my channel, I talk about it in just about every video because I use it all the time. It is just probably one of my most used items ever. From Amazon, I'll put a link to it in the description box if you want one. Or you can shred the chicken any way you'd like. You can do forks and tongs. You can use a mixer. Some people like to do it that way. I just love this little kitchen gadget. I love all kitchen gadgets, but this chicken shredder is hands down my favorite. I'm adding some spinach into this soup as well. And I'm also going to be adding in some orzo to this soup. So I'm going to kind of dunk all this spinach in and get that all into the water. Now I'm going to add in the orzo, and I'm going to do a cup of orzo. And this is so good in this soup. You can use a different pasta if you'd like, but I just love little orzo pasta noodles. It goes so great. So I put the lid on. I'm going to let that cook for 20 minutes. And it is going to be ready to go. So perfect. Look at how yummy that is. It's got your veggies and your chicken and your orzo. So it is just all around a really, really awesome soup. Really hearty. Another really great one to freeze if you'd like. So I'm going to be doing what I make just about every single week. This is my turkey chili. I'm using my Dutch oven, and I'm just going to kind of mix around my turkey. I'm going to add in a packet of chili mix, and I'm also going to add in all my beans. I have my kidney beans. I have my Great Northern beans. So these are all washed and drained. I have lentils. I'm going to wash and drain. I have corn. I will drain the corn. I've got some diced tomatoes also. This is so easy. All of this stuff is basically just dump it all in. All you have to do is brown up the ground turkey first and then dump everything else in, and you are really all set. So I'm using some chicken broth. You can use beef broth also if you'd like. And this is so good, so easy. Just put the lid on for 20 to 30 minutes and you're all set. I love chili. I love all these soups. I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Check out my other videos also, and leave me a comment if you ever have any questions. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.